Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and locate the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. As you can see, mobile hotspot. Once you find it, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like your password as an example, because it is randomly generated every time you set up the device. So you can select configure right here, tap on the password, completely remove it and set your own. Now your password does need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. You can also change the name of the device if you want to. This is going to be the name of the hotspot that the device will create. And last thing, we have the AP band. We have a choice between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Now, if you're not sure what your device supports, just stick with 2.4. If you select 5 and your device doesn't support it, it simply will not see the hotspot that you have created, and thus you won't be able to connect to it. So anyway, from here, let's select save. And now once you want to enable your hotspot, all you need to do is tap on it, and you don't need a SIM card for it. But once you have a SIM card, you can tap on it and it will enable without any kind of problem. From there, once you're done with the hotspot, you do want to keep in mind and remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running in the background and consuming more of your battery life for no reason. But that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.